Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tuesday and I love unboxing fashion with all of you. Actually, I was getting ready to film something else, and right as I was going to do that, my Curateur box showed up. If you're not familiar with Curateur, it's actually formerly known as the Box of Style from Rachel Zoe. They had a brand label change earlier this year, and so now it's called Curateur. And it arrived on my doorstep just as I was getting ready to film, so I was like, oh, let me do that, because honestly, I have cleaning and Christmas shopping to do, so I'm a little short on time today, as usual. What else is new? But if you guys want to see what's in my Curateur box, go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, just a heads up, I've got a lot of sun on my, a lot of sun flooding into this room right now, which is unusual because I usually film in the evening, but I was off today because, you know, still celebrating my birthday. And I just got off another video and I just thought, oh, this is a perfect time for me to go ahead and film. So I apologize in advance if like the light hits my face kind of in a weird way from time to time. I tried to get it into the shadows as best as possible. So, all right, let's dive into this. I literally just got this on my front porch, so I just opened it. If you're not familiar, again, like their packaging is so beautiful. This is the inside of the box. It says Curateur, welcome to a life well curated, and then you can join their community by following them on Instagram at Curateur, and it's all spelled out there for you. As well, if you're looking for some fun and excitement and some outfit of the days and styling tips, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm at From Tuesday over there. The first thing you're gonna see when you open the box is this beautiful magazine. When they did their brand change, the Box of Style did their brand change, they also elevated this little insert that goes with the box. It used to be just like a little small kind of rectangular, you know, piece of paper, glossy but small. This is like a full-on magazine. This reminds me more of the FabFitFun box if you subscribe to that. It has, you know, maybe like an interview with a celebrity. It's got styling tips. It's got beautiful pictures and editorials in it. It's just really lovely and nice, and gives you a little background on some of the items, why they chose it, how to use them, etc., etc. So I'm always in love with this little piece. Now let's get into the actual products. The first thing in here, actually, I think I got this in the last box as well. It's the Advanced Anti-Aging Lift and Fill Form Control Marine Collagen Gel by Kat Berkey. And it comes in a little package like this. Last box, now this box comes out 4 times a year, once a season. So in the autumn box, the fall box, this item was delayed. It didn't come with the shipping of the box. They sent it separately. So I don't know if they're making up for that. Maybe some people didn't get it. I don't know. But I already have this product. And let me tell you what, it's a good one. I usually use this at night after I use like a glycolic pad. It's a very gentle exfoliator. And then I, you know, kind of let it do its thing for a minute, let it set for a little bit, and then I put this on. Now, you're not supposed to put anything else on for like 3 to 4 minutes, I think, after you put this on. So I let this settle into my skin, and it just feels amazing. It like kind of cools off just a little bit of that burn from the glycolic acid. If you've ever used a glycolic pill, you know what I'm talking about. It can be a little, it has a little bit of a sting on the skin, and this cools it off. Now, collagen for me, like making sure that my skin stays supple and plump and doesn't sag, is like high on my list. I take a collagen supplement, which has been working. I have nails that are like rocks and I love it. My hair has been growing, my real hair, not this. This is mine, but I paid for it. The hair that grows on my head, on the other hand, is growing like wildfire, and it is very healthy, and I want to chalk it up, in part at least, to the collagen that I have been taking. But this is something that you actually put on your skin, and I guess it, you know, absorbs into the skin, and I've really been enjoying using this product, so, I mean, I'm not mad about getting it again. So that's the first product in the box. Okay, the next thing in here looks like some kind of lip therapy. It's called Elatuz. There's the box. And it says it's a 24 karat lip therapy. This is interesting. To use, apply wherever lips need an extra dose of hydration. Well, let me tell you what, my lips need an extra dose of hydration all the time. I don't know about the rest of you, and I don't know what kind of mask you're wearing, but I typically try to wear reusable cloth ones that I wash after every use. And just that friction against my lips causes a lot of dryness, because it's like that fabric absorbs the moisture out of my lips, and then my lips get really chapped. So I can appreciate this product. Look at those beautiful flakes of gold in that product. I cannot wait to try this. Ooh, this is gonna be nice. I'm just taking a little feel here and putting a little on the back of my hand. It is very like it's not super thick, it's very sheer, it's not very glossy, but it's definitely, you can tell it's definitely moisturizing. This is nice, you guys. This is elegant. Okay, this is like an up level from whatever you're using on your lips right now. This is amazing. This is gonna be good. I know it is. I know it is. My only concern is whether it has coconut oil in it, because I'm mildly allergic. Let me see what it says here. Doing a quick survey of the ingredients. It's got papaya seed oil, some other kind of fruit oil. Doesn't look like coconuts though. Another kind of fruit oil that doesn't look like coconuts. Some kind of seed butter, grapeseed oil. No. This is right in my alley. I love it. I'm already in love. This is next level, you guys. Love this. Okay, and this is one of the reasons that I love Curateur, or whatever they're calling it now, because the products are so luxe. They feel special, and I feel like the box has been put together by your like really amazing friend who just wants you to like try. Oh my gosh, I tried this amazing product and you should try it too. That friend, which I realize that generally I'm that friend. So it's nice for somebody else to do it for me, and that's how this box feels every time it arrives in at my house. All right, the next thing here is, looks like some perfume samples from the Rachel Zoe collection. They came in this box like this, and they're named Warrior, Empowered, Instinct, and Fearless. Yes, it's the Rachel Zoe fragrances, I guess. And of course, you're not gonna be able to smell them, so I'm not gonna really get too far into taking them out of this package as I had started to. But the packaging is really cute. It's got all these kind of animal prints on it, zebra, etc. And I hope these smell nice. You know what? I am gonna dig into it because I want to smell them. All right, let me see if I can get out of the box here. Of course, I pulled from the bottom. Why couldn't I do this like normal people? Pull from the top. I always have to be a rebel. All right, well, I will say, oh, they're beautiful little droppers. Can you see that? And that's the top with a little ball on it. So let me get a little on here. See if this opens nicely without me spilling it everywhere. Maybe. These are nice. These are really nice. This one I have in my hand is Fearless. Oh, these are nice, you guys. These are really nice. All right, I'm gonna see how this works on my skin, you know, because different fragrances react differently with different people's body chemistry. I'm gonna try them out, but this is something I would invest money in. These are gonna be nice. This is really nice. Okay, let's see what else is in this box. Looks like I've got the Amber Seats Emery bracelets. Comes in this beautiful velvet pouch. I love that their jewelry comes in pouches, so that way when I go to store it, I can put each piece back in its little pouch and not rub it up against the other jewelry, so it doesn't get all, you know, brassy or lose its whatever. Oh, this is so nice. Look at this. This is a bracelet, and it's got this like chunky gold thing going on. This is really nice. Oh, love. All right. Oh, it's like hardcore. Usually these bracelets have a little bit of like give so that you can get around your wrist. This one is pretty solid, but it's perfect for my little wrist. So this is really nice. I'm gonna wear that for a minute because this is beautiful. I love it. Okay. Next, what else have we got in here? This is a good box so far. Like every box is always so good, but this one's really nice. I got a few things in here. So where do I go next? Oh, first let me tell you about this bracelet. There's a card in here, I missed it. It's the Emery bracelet. Amber's signature crushed metal designs are handmade using the highest quality brass with 24 karat gold plating. Made with longevity as a focus, which is nice, our designs require handling with care to remain in original condition. Avoid cleaning products, swimming, and showering while wearing. Okay, apply your cosmetics, moisturizers, and perfumes before adding on your jewelry. Okay, just good things to know. Fabulous. All right, that's enough of that. Let's get into this. This is, oh, I think I know what this is. So when you get your Curateur box, there's usually one item or two items that you can kind of make a choice. Much like FabFitFun, if you're familiar with that box, you get to make a choice of items. And I think this was one of them. You got to pick the color. Yes. You could either get this item in black or white, and I chose, well, black, where it's like a cream color, and I chose this ivory white. It's a little baguette. So cute. And I think this is actually leather. It's not like unheard of to get things from in this box that are really high end, real leather. I mean, if that's not your thing, of course I understand, but yeah, this is beautiful. It's got a little, you know, space here. It's got a chain if you want to do it as a crossbody. It just has a kind of magnetic type closure there. It does have a little tassel on the zip. This is a really nice little bag. And I decided to get it in this kind of white cream color because I have so many black bags and I don't have actually anything in a nice white color. So I just thought this would be wonderful for the winter months. It'll feel very luxe. And then as you know, the temperatures start coming back up, this will transition for me into the summer. It also comes in a really nice bag. It's by Understated Leather. And yeah, the little dust bag will keep it nice and safe in my collection. All right. Wow, really nice. I'm so excited. This feels like an additional birthday present. Let's see, we have a sample in here from Chanel, the Ultimate Hydration Hydra Beauty Micro Serum here, and then inside is the info about it, and then the sample is inside. And oftentimes you'll get samples in your box, like mascaras, other cosmetics, whatever. All right, next item. I feel like there's a lot in this box this time around. Oh, this feels so good. Oh, I wish you guys could feel and smell. So nice. But this is a scarf, I believe. I love the coloring in it. Look at that. I really feel like this box just feels like cozy and wintry, which, you know, is appropriate because it is the winter season box. Oh, I love this scarf, you guys. It's so beautiful. The ombre on it. Oh, so lovely. I love it. Okay, so that's the scarf. It's an ombre colored from kind of like a white or cream color down to the very dark gray. You've got the more of the white on this end. This is beautiful, you guys. So beautiful. All right, and it just feels amazing. So that's the scarf. And then finally, there's one more piece in here. If I can get it open. I don't know. I might have to go off camera really quick. If I can't. All right. Okay, last item. I think this was an item I got to pick too, but I can't remember. Maybe not. But it is a beautiful tray that you could like put your rings in or drop your keys in or whatever you might use it for, holiday decor. This is beautiful. It's by Taliana And it's just this lovely gold and cream color, and I adore this. I can't wait to put this to good use. I don't know where it's going to go, but it's gonna go somewhere. It is really, really lovely. This is beautiful. This has been a beautiful, beautiful, well-curated box. This is the kind of box of things that I would want to send to a friend if I, you know, could. Yeah, this is just absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. The bracelet, the scarf, the beauty products, the lip treatment, the scents, the bag, the platter. This is just very luxe. I love this is one of my favorite seasonal boxes. I think I love it more than any of the other kind of curated little boxes that you get here and there. This one is by far my favorite. It's just so well done. So way to go, Curateur team. All right, that's everything. Let me know what you guys thought about it. I would love to hear your comments on this box. I know sometimes people think this box is a little expensive, but if you break it down into like a per month basis, it's about the same as getting like, you know, Birchbox or Ipsy or any of those other little beauty boxes. So it really, it's about on par with everybody else, but the quality of pieces that you get in it are just so amazing. And it's like things that you'll actually use and want to use. And there's products in here that you'll want to fall in love with. I have often gotten cosmetics or beauty products in here that I've loved so much that I've repurchased them. I have jewelry from a very first box that I ever got that is still in my collection and has worn well over time, as opposed to some other costume jewelry. It's a nice box. It's worth the price. I love it, and I would love for you to try it too. I will leave a link in the description box for you guys if you're interested. I have a code that you can use, and yeah, that's everything. Be sure to like this video if you liked the box and the unboxing, and be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss another day of Vlogmas. Today was day 14. We got a few more to go, so hang in there with me, you guys. I will see you soon. Until then, live with love. Bye.